Mustang FoxBody sitting right here. Damn, check him out. Let's get it close up. Man, he got the high rise on that. Damn. This thing's set up to go, guys. He's got a cage in there, everything. And then there's a little orange one sitting next to it. This is a SVT, or what's it say, 347? Holy smokes. He bored, stroked, everything. He bought the business too. 5.0 Cobra. You see him, guys. And I like this color. Good looking fox bodies. Look, here's another one, guys. For you guys that can't get enough of the ponies and the fox bodies, here you go. It's a good dose. I hope you enjoy it. If you're digging the ponies, hit the subscribe button. Give us a like. Helps us out. Look, another stang banger. This one's supercharged. Man, I like this. Nasty, nasty. Got the big fin back there. I like these loud colors, guys. Look at this. Ours didn't have that. Heck no. I wish. It would have been so cool, guys.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.